y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I got this video requested a lot. Like, I've seen a lot of comments of people being like, can you show us how to do a website? How did you make your website? How did you make a Bigcartel website? Well, today I'm gonna try my best to explain that and show you guys. The only reason it's been taking so long is because I had to find a way to screen record my computer, and all the screen recording softwares I had to pay for, but I found one that was free. So hopefully it goes well and nothing messes up here. So first I'm just going to show you guys a run through of my website. So this is just the home page. With Bigcartel, they have many different themes, which I'm going to show you guys that in this tab. They have many different themes to choose from. The theme that I have personally is Trace. It's called Trace. So with Trace, it's just a pretty simple layout, homepage, shop, facts and questions. And right here, I added this, and this. Contact, home, and shop are automatically there. And this one, so it's just, you know, it's pretty simple. And then I've added a few more features to my website as well that I'll show you guys how to do in a different video. But yeah, on my homepage I have this little button. When you click it, it goes straight to the products if it loads fast enough, you know. So yeah, these are the new products. If y'all want to go get some, link in description box. But anyways, yeah, it's just a pretty simple layout. For me personally, I just like it simple. And then when you click the product, this is what it looks like. And I chose to have a white background and like teal, turquoise, bluish accents. Like, I don't know what y'all would call this, but like teal, turquoise to me. And this is just what it looks like. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna show you guys how to do. I might show you guys a different theme, like a different website theme. So yeah, also when I show you guys how to make the website that I created an account for is gonna be deleted soon. But if anybody wants to buy the website from me, you can change your login info, everything. Comment down below or DM me on Instagram. And also with this tutorial, I'm not gonna show you guys how to add products. I might show you guys at the end of this little video. I'm gonna put it in the same video, but I'll just try to screen record from my phone because it's easier to show how to add apps or add products from the Bigcartel app. So anyways, enough talking, let me get into this video. So I have this tab already here with all the Bigcartel themes. As you can see, it's a lot of themes to choose from. Now the Luna theme is the automatic theme that the Bigcartel account starts on. Like when you go to the app and you try to customize your website, this is automatically what you see. So yeah, that's what my website used to be when I first started out. So that's the Luna theme. It's pretty simple. This is the layout. You have your little profile pic or your logo pic up here. And then you can add pictures as slideshows. And then on the home page, they give you featured products right here. And then this theme, I haven't had this theme before, but it's like, I don't know, like a retro type of theme or something. This one, I don't know how to describe this, kind of like a comic book type of theme. Sunscreen is kind of like my theme, but not really. So yeah, this is just, it's pretty cool. The parade theme is really cool. And also on Bigcartel, they allow you to view a demo store. So when you click view demo store, you can actually look through this fake website with the parade theme and see what it would look like if you you know, had this template or website theme. So like I said, this is the home page and it shows the featured images, the featured products. So it just slides like that, just like that. And I think it's pretty cool. Personally, I wouldn't have this type of theme because I don't know, it's just not for me. But you guys, you know, could choose. And then let's see what it looks like when you click shop. So it's the same thing. So I guess just how this website is. Let's see. Oh, they have categories too. So let's say you have a specific category of hair accessories or something. It's gonna show it like that. So the whole website like this, it just shows everything as a slide. So yeah, that's the parade theme. So yeah, basically that's what it is. So I already created that account, and I'm gonna go back so I can show you guys how to get to this point right here. So when you log into your Bigcartel account, it's gonna show your dashboard right here, and you can also see this on the app. And hopefully you guys, I'm not talking too much, but yeah, so the dashboard basically shows your insights, like how many orders you got that month, whatever. Of course, orders, products, discounts. The free Bigcartel plan gives you discounts now. Before they didn't, but now they do. So you get 5 products on the free plan. And then when you go to the account button right here, you just want to scroll down a little bit. When it says your shop, you want to click customize design, and this is what it looks like. When you look at it, it's like kind of confusing, and it's way better to do this on a computer than a phone. When I started out, I was just doing my whole website from my phone, but I just found it easier to do it from the computer and a lot faster. So this is the Luna theme, I believe. Yep. So the Luna theme looks basic when you first start out because there's no products added, so it doesn't really look like anything much. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I did my trace theme. So this is the theme that I have on my website. So this is what it looks like. So as you can see, it has that little start shopping button right here, and it's just basic. It has the little 3 lines. This is where you can add your logo, and then the cart. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is the header logo. The header logo is where you can add your own logo. So instead of it writing out the name of your company or website or whatever, you can add an image, because Bigcartel doesn't have the same font. So I can just click this image and it'll pop up here just like that. It's loading. So see, my logo just popped up right there. So also when you click this, if you're on your products, if you click this, it will go straight to your home page. But anyways, right here, the welcome image is an image that will pop up right on top of the start shopping button. So I'm gonna click a random image to add. I'm just gonna click my logo again. So it's just gonna pop up right on top, just like that. So that's what that's gonna look like. So you can add a picture. If you like sell lip gloss or something, you can add a picture on top of your lip gloss or all your products in a collage, something like that. So yeah, now this part is where you customize the colors and the fonts and all that. So the background is automatically white, so we're gonna change the background color to pink. Let's see, is this pink enough? Right here, let's change it to pink. So that's what the background color looks like now. Now, as you can see, this part is still white or gray, however you see it. I see it as white from the angle I'm sitting. But yeah, so we're gonna change it to purple. How about that? Purple. So now this is purple. The error text is not really that serious. You can keep it as red because it's just when an error happens or something, the font will turn red. So now you can customize the color of your text. So the primary text is something like this. This is the primary text, and then the secondary text will be like a subhead type of thing. It's really hard to show that because there's no products here to show you guys how that would look. But yeah, so here, this is a perfect example. So this would be the secondary text. As you can see, it's gray. Can't really see that it's gray, but let me turn it red. So the secondary text, that's the secondary text, whatever. So I'm just going to turn it back to gray. then we're just going to click out of that. So simple as that, you guys. I literally just created this in like 5 seconds. And like the best, not 5 seconds, but you know, the best part about Bigcartel is that they have all these themes ready for you, and all you have to do is customize it to match your color scheme. And then when you go back to your dashboard on the app or on the right as soon as you log in, all you have to do is add your products and all that stuff. So I'm gonna search up a random picture. I don't know, let's just search up lip gloss. So I'm just gonna download a random picture. I don't know, save image, so I can show you guys what the products would look like added. So after you customize your website, make sure, I cannot stress this enough, make sure to click save, because if you don't click save, it's gonna erase everything you've done. So yeah, make sure you guys do that. So we're gonna go back to the dashboard, and I'm gonna add that random picture so you guys can see what the products look like. So I'm gonna add my first product onto this fake website. So let's say lip gloss, and then add an image. And then on the dashboard right here where you add products, you can add categories. So we don't have any categories yet. I'm just gonna create a category. We're gonna say lip products, save. So this will be under the lip products. I'm gonna put $3, I don't know, a random price. We don't really need to do that shipping stuff yet. If you guys want a video specifically on shipping prices, make sure to comment for that. So there's some errors that need to be fixed. Oh, I guess we do have to add shipping. Oh, the country, okay. See, when you do that, you have to add the country. I don't really care to add the shipping price right now because doesn't matter right now because it's a fake website. But now I'm gonna go back to our website, the customized design section. So now after I've added a product, you will see that in the lip products category, which will be underneath the welcome image. So now we have a category. So with this, you can add multiple categories and it will show up like a carousel. So I'll show you guys on my website. It's the same exact theme. As you can see, this is the new category with all my new products. Then the second one will be lip products. And I should like change up the order of it so it doesn't just show the same picture back to back. And then here we have start your business, which I have these wholesale tubes and like different supply stuff. And then accessories, and then lashes, which lashes are almost sold out, only 2 left. Promo, get your lashes. So yeah, that's pretty much what that looks like. So when you add more products and you create more categories, that's the you're gonna have more categories, of course. So let's just show you guys how the shop section would look. So we're gonna click shop, and then we only have one product, as you can see. That's just what that looks like right there. Then we click it, and boom, you added your first product, and that's what that looks like. And then I'm just going to show you guys how the cart looks. This is just how the cart looks. And it's so many different themes that you guys can choose from, like a million different themes. And yeah, so if you guys want any other video, like tutorial videos, if you guys want me to show you how to add this little thing right here, Bigcartel does not have that, but this power plugin thing does. So if you guys want to see a video on a pop-up, like an ad pop-up, make sure to comment down below. Hopefully this video made sense to you guys. If you guys have any comments about how I could have made this video better, make sure to comment down below. And if you learned something from this video, make sure to let me know. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I'm almost at 10K. And also make sure to Check out my website. I launch new products, so make sure you guys go check those out. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick view of what that is. And yeah. So yeah, this is just my new products. Couple of them are sold out. This one is sold out already. And the squeeze tube version of Pink Rose is sold out. But I still have the wand tubes. I have 3 wand tubes left. And yeah, so that's about it for this video. Like I said, comment down below, like, follow me on Instagram, check out my website. There's many discount codes on my website. You just gotta make sure you notice it right there in your face, a discount code. But yeah, bye y'all. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to y'all next time.